Hello student, today I am going to discuss ultrastructure and function of peroxisomes. Peroxisomes were first identified as cell organelles by Christian de Duve in 1965. Peroxisomes are multi-purpose organelles as they often contain inducible enzymes which are of high significance in plants, fungi, and protozoa. Ultrastructure of peroxisome are tiny organelles or microbodies commonly found in liver and kidney cell. Covered by a single membrane, these microbodies appear like ovoid granules. Peroxisome membrane is similar to cell membrane but is thinner. The size varies between 0.6 to 0.7 micrometer in diameter. The number of peroxisomes as per cell varies between 70 to 100. An opaque and homogeneous core or nucleotide is formed from the condensation of fine granular substance. This may be seen in peroxisomes. In contrast to core containing peroxisomes, there are other smaller organelles which lack the core. These are called microperoxisomes and are found in all cells. Function of peroxisome. Peroxisomes function is hydrogen peroxide metabolism. Enzymes present in the peroxisome both lead to the production and elimination of hydrogen peroxide, which is a reactive oxygen species. Second function is fatty acid oxidation. Oxidation of fatty acids in animal cell occur in both peroxisomes and mitochondria, but in yeast only limited to peroxisomes. Oxidation is accompanied by the production of H2O2, which is decomposed by catalyzed enzyme. These provide a major source of metabolic energy. Third function is lipid biosynthesis. Synthesis of cholesterol and dolicol occurs in both endoplasmic reticulum and peroxisomes. Bile acid synthesis takes place from cholesterol in the liver. Peroxisome contain enzyme synthesize plasmalogens, a family of phospholipids which are important membrane components of tissues of the heart and brain. Germination of seeds. Peroxisome in seeds responsible for the conversion of stored fatty acid to carbohydrates, critical to providing energy and raw material for the growth of germinating plants. Next one is photorespiration. Peroxisomes in leaves, particularly in green ones, carry out the photorespiration process along with chloroplast. Next function is degradation of purines. Carry out the catabolism of purines, polyamines and amino acids, especially by uric acid oxidase. Next one is bioluminescence. Luciferase enzyme found in the peroxisomes of fireflies help in bioluminescence and thus aid the flies in finding a mate. This is all about the function of peroxisome.